So something interesting to show you guys. Now, first of all, I don't smoke, and I used to like 15 years ago, but not anymore. But as an ex-smoker, I understand how important a lighter is. And when I set my eyes on the Thunder lighter, I just had to pick these up to feature on the channel. So I'm just going to open these boxes to show you what to expect. Right, so let's just, wow, look at that. That is really nice. Complete metal design. And these are not gas lighters. They are not petrol lighters. There's no fuel at all. These are powered by, wow, that's a beauty. These are powered by electric. Wait till you see this color. Wow. Seriously, beautiful design. It doesn't make me want to start smoking. I've completely packed in the habit. But the technology side of what this is. So you've got a lighter, it's made completely from metal. On the bottom, you've got a micro USB charging port. You flip the lid, the light turns on at the bottom, and you just tap this button, and there's your flame. It's actually weatherproof, so you can use this in any weather. It has a safety cut off of 8 seconds. So you light up in 8 seconds, it will cut off, or you can close it to cut off. It gives you a battery indication as well. So I'll show you some of the colors. Look at that. You can see the battery, 4 bars. It takes 45 minutes to fully charge one of these lighters, but it will allow you to light up 300 times. So that is probably enough for the week, depending on how much you smoke. So let me know which color you like, first of all. Even the red one looks nice. I absolutely love the technology used behind this, so I thought I'd share it with you guys on the channel. The prices start from around 21 euros, depending on what color you go for. So that was the long-lasting Thunder lighter, people. So definitely check them out.